we're going to be unboxing Pokemon. I'm already opened one pack, and we have 4 more. Let's go open some cards. Stop.
Okay.
We're gonna first open the next one.
Wait, I can open one.
Okay. We'll open it like that.
Okay. Like this?
One minute. I was gonna do that. Well, they help.
Oh my god. You're not supposed to be calling me. We're in a video.
Wait, I can do one.
Just one. I don't know. This hard.
One. Wait, you can bring the other cards here. Yeah, I don't need room. And that's one open one. That's one open.
You like that one?
Yes. But you watch it. My card.
Oh! What's this? You think I'm good? I think I'm good.
It's a gold. Let's flip it around.
Stop. That's nice.
Wait, how is where's the gold?
Good. Energy.
Let's flip it around.
What? Energy. Did you like that one?
Yes. What is that? It's cheapy. That's cheap.
Yes, which one should we open next?
Maybe this one.
Okay.
That's like pink color. You like a pink color. Hey, you know last thing when you go somewhere we
You want that?
yeah, that's it. I can play.
I don't like that.
Okay, I can try again. Let's try again. Let's try again for you. Okay, let's try it one more time. I can do this. Let's do it. Okay, let's do it.
Open.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. Where's the gold?
It's fine. Appreciate what you have.
Okay, maybe we can bring the other one. Well, these is big cards.
I think those are not cards.
Why?
Those are stickers.
It's that.
Just which one do you like?
I like it.
See?
That one.
You like that one? Look like a dinosaur.
It's a duck. What's that smell?
Energy.
It's big sticker and cards.
It says this. It's just sticker.
What? How we take them
It
off?
says, which one of the 3 that you like?
I like this one.
This one?
Yes. Who is that?
Oh. Nice.
Claire, is that like a lunchbox?
Yes, it does look like a lunchbox. That's a code cards.
Claire, how we take off these